Today I'm gonna show you one of my hiding spots in We Play Paint and Seek. This one requires a lot of creativity, color mixing, but it will surely put you in the top 3, if not top 1. So first, andito siya sa may parang town. And you choose this position. Yan. Taka-bridge position siya. Then you turn it on the right side. I like the head part on the right side of this one. So clearly, gagawin natin, we'll make some colors kahulay nung bubong. So first, I'll pick the biggest brush and put a base coat para walang puti. I'll make sure na lahat ng sides may guard. And then, choose another color, just paint it, and just brush it all over. Then I'll pick the smaller brush again, then pick another color and brush again. Pick another color, brush again. Ang pinaka-goal natin dito is to really camouflage. So makikita nyo from largest, pababa tayo dun sa finest brush. And we'll really just mix colors in a horizontal swiping manner. And right now, hindi nyo ma-appreciate yan, but later on, papakita ko, yung zoom out. So how it will look like sa view ng mga seekers. So right now, I'm just putting colors over colors and colors, picking colors na nakikita natin dun sa wooden part ng roof na ito. Yan. So it's mostly dark green, a little bit of blue-green. Tapos may makita kang mga rust na brown and orange. But typically, yung hues nung blue-green from light to dark, yun lang yung minimix ko dito. Okay, so timer started already. And we'll just continue painting and painting and painting. Yan, kuha tayo ng lighter color kasi yung top part gusto natin mag-blend din. So medyo magulo siya. So ingat lang din kasi kung hindi ka maingat, ayan, like that, meron na tayong seeker na malapit sa roof. Pero hindi niya tayo makita. So don't paint kapag meron ka nang nakikita ang seekers kasi syempre makikita nila na nagbabago yung itsura mo. So once in a while, try to take a look at the surroundings. And then here, tina-triangle ko lang yung top using dark and medium colors. Yan. Tapos ipapatong natin. So talaga magiging camouflage siya. So napaka-imperfect pa niya. Pero lilinisin natin yan. Yan na short while. So sobrang tuloy-tuloy lang. Actually, mauubos ko yung time painting. Hindi naman maubos, pero it will go down to siguro mga 2 minutes. Tapos mamaya, ipapakita sa inyo yung pinaka-zoom out niya. How it looks like on the seeker's vision, point of view. Yan, so, nagdagdag tayo ulit ng color. Yan. Then I'll pick yung dark kasi kung mapapansin nyo, dark yung upper half dapat below the pinaka-bubong. And then, papunta siyang lighter color. So, yan. So, lalagyan na natin yung light color dito. And also dun sa other side. Ayan. Yan, makikita mo. Ayan. So, parang medyo tatlo na yung levels niya. Medyo light, tas dark, tapos kasing color nung bubong. So, there are 3 parang pinaka-base colors niya. Then, I'll get more colors para lalagyan natin nung roofing niya ulit. Then, I'll put another parang pointed triangle shape there. Diba? And, yan, parang ganyan. So, makikita natin na parang medyo ombre siya. Dark, medium to light. Pero batik-batik siya. So, ito ko screenshot kasi I really am proud of the way that I painted it. So, ngayon, sige, mag-free camera tayo. Then, let's take a look kung makikita tayo. So, there. Kung makikita niyo ako, andun ako sa right side. And from afar, hindi siya halata. Pag nilapit mo, medyo hindi pa rin siya halata. In this view, kasi nandito yung mga seekers, when you take a look at it, parang hindi din naman talaga siya halata. So, yeah. But you can always correct and improve. No, yung sa akin, hindi pa siya perfect eh. Siguro talaga malabo lang talaga yung mga mata ng mga seekers, that's why hindi ako makikita dito. But there will be seekers around this town, itong parang village na set. No? Kasi parang this one is for a director or movie studio that has different setups and backdrops. Oops! Ayan, ingat kayo. Huwag kayo masyadong magulo. Kasi baka ma-reveal yung inyong posisyon in 5 seconds pag medyo hindi pwede dun sa spot na yan. So Mark Dave, yan, hindi niya ako makikita. Ayan, halos siya. Pero meron ang seeker dito sa paligid dito. And what I do, since 25 seconds na lang, what I usually do, kapag konting-konti na lang yung time, umaalis ako dun sa spot ko na yun so that the players that I'll be playing again on the next match won't be able to find me. Parang hindi nila malalaman kung saan ako nagtago. Although, the color, hindi ko matandaan kung makikita nila. Pero yan, bababa na ako tapos makikita ako ng isang player but it's time up na. So hindi na ako napatay. You can stay there pero ako hindi ako nagsistay sa hiding spot ko para the next game they won't be able to know. And that's it. Good game. So that's just one of my best spots. I'll show you 2 more or several more in the next video. And thanks for watching. Click on the link and subscribe and like this post. See ya!
Koy na kung magana, magana, hindi masilbi na.